Hello everyone. In the previous videos we have learnt about the cost function and the revenue function. After that we are going to learn about the profit function in this video. What is the profit? When we sell some of the item, then the selling price we find is more than the cost price. Then we say this is a profit. And the profit is the difference between the selling price and the cost price. But in case the cost price is more than the selling price, it means we are selling the item, the commodity at the less price than the cost price. Then we say there is a loss or we say negative profit. When we talk about the profit function, the profit function is generally represented by Px or we say pi x, selling price. Here we say it is revenue collected by selling some of the commodities. And then we see whether the revenue collected is more than the cost price of the same number of commodities. The difference between them is the profit function. So can we say that this Px will be equal to Rx minus Cx? Because Rx is the revenue function and Cx is the cost function. Then the average profit. What is average profit? Average, as we know, will be the profit divided by the number of commodities we sell. Same way here we can say the average profit will be equal to Px divided by x. Px is Rx minus Cx divided by x. Can we write it is equal to Rx upon x minus Cx upon x? We know Rx upon x is the average revenue and Cx is the average cost. It means the average revenue minus average cost is equal to the average profit. What is break-even point? Break-even point is the level of production, that is x. When we find that the revenue collected by selling some of the items or from sales is equal to the cost of the same number of production. It means we can say when there is no profit and no loss, that is the break-even point. It means we can say that break-even point is when Rx, that is revenue function, is equal to the cost function Cx. It means we can say that Rx minus Cx is equal to 0. And what is Rx minus Cx? Rx minus Cx is the profit. It means in that case we can say that profit function, that is Px, is equal to 0. Here we have to remember that break-even points may be 0, 1 or more than 1. It means the number of production may be any number 0, 1 or more than 1 when we are finding there is no profit or that is the break-even point. Now we will discuss some of the problems based on the same. The first problem we discuss is the fixed cost of a product is rupees 10,000 and the variable cost is rupees 500. If the demand function is Px is equal to 3000 minus 100x, then find the break-even values. For the solution of such problem, what we do, first we write the demand function, that is Px is equal to 3000 minus 100x. Let the production be x units. Then what will be the cost function? Cost function is 10,000 rupees is the fixed amount. 500 per unit is the variable cost. It means that is 500 into x. Now we know for the break even point, Rx should be equal to Cx. What is Rx? Rx we know is x into Px. So we write here Rx, the revenue function is x into Px. That is equal to x into 3000 minus 100x. Can we say it is 3000x minus 100x square? And now we'll write for break even points, Rx is equal to Cx. It means 3000x minus 100x square is equal to 10,000 plus 500x. When we simplify it by transposing, we are getting 100x square minus 2500x plus 10,000 is equal to 0. If we divide by 100, are we getting x square minus 25x plus 100 is equal to 0? Then we can factorize it by the middle term split method. And that gives us x minus 5 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. From this we are getting the values of x as 5 and 20. So we are getting here the break even values are 5 and 20 for this particular problem. The second problem we discuss here is a company has fixed cost of rupees 20,000 and the cost of production per unit of the product is rupees 50. If each unit is sold at rupees 75, then find the break even values and also find the values of x for which there is always a profit. What is given here? Given is that fixed cost is equal to rupees 20,000. The variable cost has been given as rupees 50. If we produce number of units as x, let the production be x units. Then what will be the cost function Cx? Cx we know is fixed cost plus the variable cost. So will that be equal to 20,000 plus 50x or not? Now when it is given that the selling price is rupees 75 per unit, selling price is equal to rupees 75 per unit. Then what will be the revenue collected or revenue function? Then revenue function Rx will be 75 into x or not? That is 75x. Because we are producing x units and we are selling the x units. Now for the break even point, we have the formula that Rx should be equal to Cx. Rx is equal to Cx. It means 75x is equal to 20,000 plus 50x. It gives us 75 minus 50 is 25x is equal to 20,000. It means here x will be 20,000 divided by 25 or we can say 800. It means the break even point is 800. Therefore, break even value is equal to 800 units. Now we want to find out how many units should be produced to get always a profit. So for the profit, if we produce more than 800 units, certainly there will be a profit or not. So we can say for profit, X should be greater than 800. It means if we are producing more than 800 units, then there will be always a profit. So in this video we have learnt about the break-even point, break-even values and the profit function. In the next video we will start the application of integral for commerce. In that we will learn how to calculate the cost function or the revenue function when marginal cost or the marginal revenue functions are given. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.